Hi, today I'm going to talk about the privacy and the security in the online world that we need to be teaching our students. Of course, we don't need to teach kindergarteners everything to know about the online world, but as students grow from grade to grade, they need to start learning more and more about the online safety. So a few things that have to do with privacy and security in the online world that students need to know is about passwords, about changing your passwords every now and then, not having the same password for every single website. Students should ask permission from their parents when joining a new website or going to a new website. And along with that, parents can put parental blocks on it. So when you're using like a website or something within a classroom, typically parents should be okay with it. But at the beginning of the school year, you can just send home a permission slip asking if your child can participate in the online world at some point in the classroom, and then if the parents have concerns or anything, they can address them then. A couple other things to teach students is about personal information. So as they're making social pages, they need to know what information they should and shouldn't be able to put out in the online world for everybody to know. And then another thing to keep in mind is if it seems too good to be true, don't trust it. So if you go to a website that says they'll give you $100 for taking a survey, that's ridiculous. So students need to be able to understand and see those lines of what is appropriate and what isn't appropriate, and that can start within the classroom with the teacher.